discussion. Azuma mining concession. Ibrahim Mahama ye mampeni John Mahama ninuano. And we are reliably informed, say, Ibrahim Mahama has played a part when it comes to money in the NDC's campaign. He's one of the main reasons why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama had cash to spend during the campaign time to become president again. Now, we've been telling Ghanaians, say, no businessman, please power tap. No businessman, be anywhere or kwa. There's no businessman who does things just for doing sake. Say businessman or the new 1 cedi mawa, on him said that 1 cedi he will get it back. On empower. No businessman will give you money for free. There be a surplus employer on him says that's scano. In fact, so be free mama. That's when they will give you their money. So when we started seeing, in fact, media didn't even pay attention to NDC their campaign. Okay. After the election, when we saw John Mahama, His Excellency, driving in a twin-turbo V6 vehicle, I saw Lexus car, or uses to say, luxurious car. Okay? And we complained. And then the first response that came to us, they said, car no, ni a neto. And I'm saying, Radi you. You. The moment that response came, the moment you were told, say, sa car no, Ibrahim Mahama netoma John Mahama when I'm saying you. Then the next thing was that we started seeing the president use the private jet of Ibrahim Mahama. Let me say Rade. Ghanaians don't know what they have done. I said Ghanaians don't know what they have done. Ghanaians don't have any idea the mistake they've made. Because no businessman will give you his private jet to use for free. There be that. Do you know the cost of maintaining a private jet just an hour? There are many billionaires in Ghana. Why don't they all have private jets? It is not easy. So when we were being told the announcer story, say, Ibrahim Mahama there, or a benevolent, and he just gave the private jet there on just Kabia. I'm saying, Rade, Ghanaians don't know. Not knowing. It was all because there was a major plan for state capture. A very serious plan for state capture that has been carefully drafted by NDC. And now we are seeing it unfold before our eyes. They are putting their plans to work. And we are seeing it happen before our eyes. And the sad aspect, Nini say, there is nothing you and I can do about it. The only thing we can do is to talk. And no. The only thing you and I can do is to talk. Because we have given them a 4-year mandate. Yeah, the media is quiet, not at all form. Yes, the media is quiet. We have given them a 4-year mandate. And they've just spent 10 months out of it. They still have 3 years, 2 months to go. Now let's understand what is happening. I've seen someone asking in the comments, what has it cost you? Now, see, because champagne, if you say you are monitoring me, you will be summoned. And so what? You think say all of us are scared of Masa? Muchimia light soup unkwana me here light soup. Any cow meat. And no. Are they? Haven't you seen that most of the people who were arrested and they were released, after they were released, they became bolder than they were. Now state capture no, everyone mo anke bi. State capture no mo anke bi. State capture, and I repeat again. What do you mean? For us and free or kokra na minju me. It was for where were we? Sorry for that. That was a commercial break. I'm saying there's an elaborate plan by this government. Now let's go into the technicalities. Before Akufo-Addo came to power, now your ball site was handed overnight to the brother of the president. That president, you know his name. Okay? Now, Akufo-Addo buy and I said, Debbie. We cannot hand over all our ball site to that one person. Debbie and Peneso. And he took it back. So we knew, say, if NDC should come back to power, maybe they will have gone back for the ball site. But they had a good plan. And Ghanaians did not know. We all did not know. We were all kept in the dark. I'm blocking because anyway, because I'm penny when I enter as well. All right. Done. Now we can have our show peacefully. All right. I don't know, I like that. Right. So we didn't know that there was a bigger plan that they had for us. Now the bigger plan, they say, their appetite had changed in opposition. They were no longer interested in ball site. Who cares about ball site? They didn't like ball site any longer. Their appetite rather changed towards gold, or gold. Now, the gold, the news said, because they have a plan, and this is where you will see that they had a plan indeed. When they came to power, one of the first things a gold board law. Gold board law. Remember, gold board. Now, when they were passing that gold board law, they said, say, the big mining companies, large-scale mining companies, they are not part of the gold board law. They say, when they get their gold, they are not forced to sell it to Sammy Gyamfi's gold board. Please listen carefully. When the bigger mining concessions get their gold, they are not forced to sell it to Sammy Gyamfi's gold board. So the bigger ones, Anglo Gold, Omunya Omugoda, they go outside the country, go and sell it and get their dollars, do their business. So the reason they did that was because Omunim said they had a plan for the president's brother, Ibrahim Mahama, to one day forcefully take somebody's a large-scale mining concession. So what it means, they say, and they are celebrating that Ibrahim Mahama has gotten 100 million US dollars to go and purchase Obi mining concession at a large scale. Now, some mining concession, any gold Ibrahim Mahama gets from there, Sammy Gyamfi because a large scale. So Sammy Gyamfi will not come and buy it in cities. Ibrahim Mahama has a right to take that gold, send it outside this country, sell it in dollars, get the money, bring it back or wherever he wants to send, and nobody can say fin because it is a large-scale concession. It was a plan. It was all planned out. Now, the common floor Ghanaian, okay, who is doing small-scale mining, Omu forces Anipane say, who there by force, by all means, you have to sell your gold to Sammy Gyamfi. And Sammy Gyamfi will take your gold, pay you in cedis. And even that cedis is not the same price as the world market. Then after taking that gold, Sammy Gyamfi's gold board will go and sell it in dollars and keep the dollars. But as for Ibrahim Mahama's gold firm that he has now forcefully bought, as for that one, he can go and see, he has the freedom to go and sell it in dollars. When we were telling you, say, these people had a plan and they were coming to milk this nation, you did not believe us. They are so much in hurry, say, they could not even wait for 1 year to pass. They couldn't wait for even 1 year to pass, debut. As soon as they took power, you see what they are doing? They are forcing people who had legal mining concessions out. And then those of them that are showing stubborn smaller, they are forcing them and they are forcefully buying their concession. If you follow this whole Azuma mining issue, you see, say, na mine mine no. They are not selling it. But by force, to the extent, say, as GhanaNsem no, echo Australia, and the Minister of Mining, of Land and Natural Resources, promise say, oh, leave this issue, we'll resolve it internally. And see what has happened today. They are jubilating. They have taken somebody's business by force. Now, Obi Bisa may say, how does it affect me? Because after all, I'm not into mining. Yes, sir. It affects all of us. Thanks for the gift, Ashtown. Now, the reason it's affecting all of us is this news has gotten out to the international, on international scene. And to say, America for them say, Uba Ghana business, there is a probability government can take your business by force. Germany for them, France for them, UK for them, Australia for them, Dubai for them. So nobody will want to come and do business in Ghana. Nobody. Now, if people, businessmen, genuine businessmen, investors, if they run away, if they start seeing Ghana as a market that is not good for them, it means that people will not get job. Because we need those investors to come and invest here, to come and open businesses for Ghanaians to be employed. Now, because of what the brother of the president has done, they will not come. They will keep their money. Or they will go to other nations. They will go to Nigeria. They will go to Liberia, Sierra Leone, Ivory Coast, Togo, Burkina Faso. And Ghana will be stranded. People won't get job to do. It will also affect our international image for many years to come. It is affecting us. And even you as a Ghanaian, when you travel out of this nation, the respect they used to accord you, you won't get it again. Because they will see us as a people of Takashi. That's how they will see us. So that is it. Ibrahim Mahama has purchased Azuma mining concession by force. And I know that in the days to come, in the months to come, more of those things are going to happen. More of them. And as I said earlier on, because we have voted for them for a 4-year period. 4-year period.
This weekend we time I could share some polling station executives be a my constituency. Na mini wo mo kasa na me bisa mo se mesre mu me dey kan bisa mo se hwan na ya share mo wa he hwan no betimi afa phone na wa frɛ his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No will be at this will be an phone number good. Why no betimi afa phone na wa frɛ Kennedy obi at na yira Brian swing obi at we do twum ni podi no wo mu ni mu no nam si okay nam bisa sa nam pacho why na betimi afa phone na wa frɛ honorable Ajekum on dey no bia manesa so why so na betimi afa phone na wa frɛ honorable Johnson na wo mama wo msa na we sa ankofo we ese me wo Bawumia Kennedy na wo ko supporting no wo betimi akọ na nim akọji bibia na wo moto dia wo betimi afa phone na afle ne no o se ha na ye ko wo so se me kwa ha mu me na de pa mo de support Kennedy ne no ye den obi se o se obo no na NDC fo class e beto abama no NDC na me se hwe me bo NDC fo se won beto abama no mina bisa say muni malanka josin ye the Alan any Kennedy gina wa obeyi hwan Alan na momo the cash for the people cash for the boys be Martin gram oti say ye the only Kennedy gina wa obeyi hwan say Alan nam say Alan na ete ne ho kwot ne party no say cheda kola nya vote chain cheda mpo afi na wa ba kola ye nim no onya vote chain Alan NDC ni die sebi wudi aboa kola akoto obeto na aba man eba ne sen na yen ye ko election NDC no campaign na wo mo say sika ye ne o ma no sisi ye ntwa nurses for na teachers for kana wo mo te ho no no mo pompi sika na guo for 2028 a ebetu okra na ebia wo presidential candidate kwa wo be ni kura betimi awu no wo mo pompi sika na gu ho no mo no abeka cho say to aba ma we na oba ye beto aba ne sremo the oka say o si obema ya American visa no enye ntro obeka ye na mbisa say why na watimi anya ne visa there up to now wajimi won hu say ya jimi enti wasan so the class na bi ba onya meduru ha ba so oba obema adwuma na Bible po say papa ye wo ye papa ye wo jai wo fie na kwaye abonten so ni papa ye bone na waja ase central wo ho na me ye mpofo na obema ya adwuma wo adwuma on fama na na ba antema oni na wawie ne master so tifie galamsey no ye na na ba antema guy no odi atem bebrebe di MPP fo mpanifo atem na odi MPP fo atem no wo wase kropon galamsey na ba antema o ye onya adwuma bia o anapa so osi regional first vice ni fie ani asafo ache fie awia no osi ho anwumle no osi ho no onu so ma adwuma na ni right handed person ni spokesperson etifie wo a wotempo na opan ho aba be ma wadwuma yes the police station executive for electoral area coordinators even wo kola wonye police station executive say na ya betina hi mimi kulom every day bia meka up to now your communities baby wo kra light any want say TikTok ha no ye ma ha unya time ameselo kaklampa na what meeting nkofo akasa hwe wo mo support Kennedy no wan wo mo to me more facts bia say odi o kan say o si oba obema ye adwuma o si oba like NDC for beto aman me no ka say enra yes ya fast strategy bi wo mo ye platform so ya na ma sheda e ba o mi ade abet na Kennedy for ne ba na ma fan crofo na de yedi wiki wo mo de me ka no ha because enye obi o te ha no and they support ba o mi a and we are calling them me no ka say enra one strong Kennedy me be hosting no me obi friend ye hosting wa akra ha me say ye ho no ye ma ba o mi nya 80% kra ma na nji wo ye krom ho ye kire Kennedy say na ye be make sure say the vote no so Brian kra be nya vote e won no nyokra na ye ka no hwe sisia bebia Ghana ye duru no enye afi na wudru ha na metie maje me plot na mitimi si dan ya wo se yedua makwa e be ye yedua ba e be ye obi a wo se ku ade nhu kuya nikura chese wunchia ne nsampo no ene wo se ye meye kuya me connect enya na me fa meye kuya yes le police station for any mo amwa hanom anytime bia wo benya bia yes mo say ye raba wo mia wanhu so when this year nkene na nka femu se ye raba wo mia when this year enka me se oda wo kola nipa bi ti se ye friend no se Kevin Taylor mo ye be ma na ada ho na ba wo mia tietia wo mo so ba wo mia esum wo mo bo ba wo mo ntimi nka wo mo suo papa no wo mo suo no obi a ye kwa akoto aba ma wo a wo se wo president adie John Dramani Mahama ba abedi 10 good solid months enya busumi o enya afe ye bisa wo say nti wo John Dramani Mahama mamuwe ya wo say mintumi mfa busumi edu enjeje anase enkasa mfa na mamuwo hu na chese ye communication team na wo ko radio so wo agimi obi a wo say wo pe party anim adi agi say wunu aketwa wo say Ghana hina sika ya wo dia wo na wo say NPP wo ma meka ho na eteye no agi say Brian Champion atimi abema old currency 50 billion answer what me ni apie say wo be ye campaign na sa asem we sebi enye me wan say Bible Yankopon Jesus Christ otimi say ya lay na asokwase ade wontimi ansa Jesus wontimi ansa kwase ya le because ne papa ka che say ya le we die eni anu aduru because we won't ya kwase asa bi won't na ma ye meka nchiro say Kennedy the NDC for akwapam because on NDC for akwapam when your radio kese ti say wo say